Good morning students. In last class we have seen Hallwatch and Leonard observation. Today we will discuss about experimental study of photoelectric effect. To study the experimental study of photoelectric effect, this is the arrangement for the study of photoelectric effect. This apparatus consists of one glass tube T. T is the glass tube which is evacuated, means there is no air medium is present in between the glass tube, and it consists of side window T1. T1 is the side window. Through this side window T1, S is the source. For this source, we are getting the radiation. The radiation is coming from the side window T1. Inside the glass tube, there are two electrodes are connected. That is, C is one electrode and A is second electrode. C is called emitter, A is called collector. Here, this C electrode is made up of photosensitive material, because when the radiation is falling on this photosensitive material, it must emit some electrons, and this A electrode is called collector. The work of this electrode is collect the electrons which are emitted from the emitter. This is the function of the emitter and the collector. This emitter and collector is connected by the wire, and here this is microampere ammeter which is used to measure the current, and V is the voltmeter which is used to measure the potential difference. And here there is one special type of key that is called commutator. K is called commutator key. The function of this commutator key is it is used to change the polarity. For example, you consider initially emitter is positive potential and collector is at negative potential. If I change the key in the commutator key, automatically the polarity will be reversed. That is, emitter will be acting like a negative and collector will be acting like the positive. Therefore, we can change the polarity of emitter and collector by changing the key in the commutator. And here is the battery which will apply or which will give potential difference between the emitter and the collector. Now we will see how this apparatus is working. Initially, the source is taken. This source is emitting some radiation. When the radiation is falling on the photosensitive material, that is emitter, due to photoelectric effect, some of the electrons are emitted. These emitted electrons are accelerated by the collector. These electrons are moving from emitter to collector due to battery. Due to potential difference, it is moving from emitter to collector because it is creating one electric field. Therefore, electron starts moving from emitter to collector. The electrons which are emitted during this process are known as photoelectrons, and the current which is coming in this process is known as photoelectric current. The strength of the photoelectric current is measured by microammeter. By using this instrument, we can measure the photoelectric current. Here, V is the voltmeter which will measure the potential difference between the emitter and collector. This is the experimental study of the photoelectric effect, or how the photoelectric apparatus is working. In this experiment, we are doing some observation. That is, first one, we are changing the intensity. We are changing the intensity of radiation. Then how will you change the intensity of radiation? By changing the source. If you are moving source near to the tube, then intensity is increasing. If you are moving source away from the tube, then intensity is decreasing. Therefore, first case we are changing the intensity. In second case, we are changing the frequency. We are changing the frequency of radiation. Then how will you change the frequency of radiation? By using suitable filters. we are putting different filters in front of the source. For example, first time I am putting red color filter so that red color wavelength is incidenting on the emitter plate. In second case I am using blue color filter. Therefore, by changing the filter we can change the frequency. In third case, we are changing the potential difference. We are changing the potential difference. By changing the potential difference, how the photoelectric effect will be changed. These are some observations we are studying. Okay. Now the first observation is effect of intensity on the photoelectric current. In first case, we are changing the intensity of the radiation by keeping frequency and other quantities are constant. Here we are not changing the frequency and we are not changing the potential difference. We are changing only the intensity of the radiation. Now how will you change the intensity of radiation? By changing the position of the source. Initially, I am keeping source away from the tube so that intensity of radiation is less. When the intensity of radiation is less light is falling on the emitter plate so that less number of electrons are coming out. For example, in first case you imagine that only 10 electrons are coming. In second case, what will I do? I will simply slowly bring this source near to the tube here. In first case it was here, now I am bringing here. When the source is bring near to the tube, then intensity will be increasing because more bright light will be falling on the emitter plate. When intensity of radiation is increasing, then photoelectric effect will be more. That is, initially 10 electrons are coming from the metal, now 20 electrons are coming from the metal. Now again I change the position of the source, again I will bring near to the tube. Then what will happen? Again large number of electrons are coming from the metal side. Therefore, from this what will you conclude? The intensity of the radiation is directly proportional to the photoelectric current. If you increase the intensity, then electrons are emitted in the large number. If you are decreasing the intensity of radiation, then electrons are emitted in the less number. Therefore, if you plot the graph between intensity of the radiation versus photoelectric current, then it will be straight line. Is it clear? Now what is the final conclusion? That is, the effect of the intensity is the photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of radiation. If we keep on increasing the intensity of radiation, then photoelectric current will be more. Otherwise, it will be less.